Hello students, God bless you. Mathematics class 7th, chapter number 1, operation on sets, exercise 1. And in this chapter, yesterday we told you how to find A union B, A intersection B, and I also defined set and then different types of sets. Today we will learn how to find the complement of any set, and then we will find A slash B or A given B. So let's start. Universal set is also given, because if we want to find the complement of any set, then universal set should be there. Okay, so if we want to find A complement, for first part, what will we do? A complement formula, universal minus A. So when we write U minus A, it means that first of all we will write the elements of set U, then 0, 1, 2, 3 till 8. It means that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then minus sign, again bracket, and then elements of A, 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, and 3. Now students, what will be our answer? And what will be the elements of the A complement set? The elements which are present in set U but not present in set A. Simply, the elements which are present in set universal set and not present in set A. Some teachers also teach that you can cancel the common elements. 1 is common, 2 is common, 3 is common. So rest of the elements you can write. This is also good. You can write. So what are the next elements? 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is our A complement. So when we find the complement of any set, then we should keep in mind that the elements will be, our answer will be consisting of the elements which are present in U but not in any set which is given. For example, if we want to find B complement, then what will we write here? Universal minus B, universal elements of the universal set minus elements of the set B. Then our answer will be the elements which are present in universal set but not present in the B. Let's do the second part. Now if we want to find B complement, the formula is same. What will we write? B complement is equal universal set minus set B. So universal set, we know that it consists of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, minus set B consists of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we are going to write the answer of B complement. Again the concept. What is the concept? The elements which are present in U but not present in B. Elements which are present in U but not present in B. So the second method, you can cancel 2, you can cancel 3, you can cancel 4, 5 and 6. What other elements are left? 0 and 1. 0, 1 and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are present in B. So we will write only 7 and 8. Okay. So previous method, you can cancel the same elements. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 elements have been cancelled. The other elements which are left in U, that is your answer. 0, 1, 7, 8. 0, 1, 7, 8. That is answer. Let's do the third part. Okay, let's do the third part. A slash B. So we can read it as A slash B, and the formula to find A slash B is A minus B. So we will write A slash B. Formula is A minus B, as we have already know, we have done in the complement. when there is a negative sign or minus sign between two sets, then the answer will be consisting of the elements which are present in the first and not present in the second. Same method. Okay, A minus B, 0, 1, 2, 3. Minus sign. B, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now the same method as we have already done in the complement. The elements which are same we will not write, but the elements which are not same in first set we will write. Okay, so 2 is same, 3 is same. So our answer is 0 and 1. 0 and 1. Okay, the concept is when we find A slash B, what is the concept? The elements which are present in A but not present in B. So that is 0 and 1, and that is our answer. Okay, let's do some more questions. Okay, in the fourth part, A union B whole complement we have to find. A union B whole complement. What will we do? First of all, we will find B complement, and then we will combine it with set A. So first of all, we will find B complement. B complement is equal to U minus B. So U universal set 0, 1, 2, 3, so on up to 8, and minus set B, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, तो हमारा आंसर क्या होगा इसमें से? जो कॉमन एलिमेंट्स नहीं है, मतलब 2 नहीं लिखेंगे हम, 3 भी नहीं लिखेंगे, 4, 5 and 6 भी नहीं लिखेंगे, तो क्या बचा? 0, 1, 7, 8. Okay, this is our B complement. In fact, we have to find A union B whole complement. Students, what will we do? We will combine these two sets, A union B whole complement. First of all, we will write the elements of set A, that is 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, and then union sign and elements of B complement 0, 1, 7, 8. Okay, because there is union sign, so we will combine these two sets. We will write all the elements in set A as well as all the elements in set B complement. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. This is our answer. Okay, so far as we have learned how to find union of two sets, we have learned how to find the intersection of two sets, we have learned to find the complement of a single set. Then we have already learned how to find A slash B or A minus B or difference of two sets. And then we have also learned how to find A union B complement. Now two more things are left in this chapter, that is commutative property and associative property. Let's do it. Okay, students. Question number 11. If set A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and set B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and set C is equal to 3, 6, 12, 18 and 21, then prove commutative property of intersection of sets. First of all, you must know what is commutative property of the intersection of two sets. Commutative property, I would like to tell you that if we say A intersection B equal to B intersection A, then this is said to be, or this is called the commutative property of intersection of two sets. Simply, if we change the place of two sets, then the result remains the same. So this is called the commutative property of the intersection of two sets. And if we take these two sets, B and C, so we can write that B intersection C equal to C intersection B. Okay, this is the commutative property of the intersection of two sets. Even that we can make one more combination, A and C. So A intersection C equal to C intersection A. So three sets are given. So I will do it for A and B, and you will do it of yourself for B and C. Okay, so proof. First of all, we will write A intersection B equal B intersection A. Left hand side, A intersection B. We will write the elements of set A 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and then intersection sign, and elements of set B 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And now we will write the common elements. Which elements are common? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. In set A, here are only the odd numbers, and in set B, even numbers. So there is no common element in set A and B. Therefore, the answer or the result will be empty set. So left hand side, the result is empty set. Okay, B intersection A. B intersection A. So that is our right hand side. Elements of set B, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Then intersection sign and elements of set A 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Students, is there any common element between B and A? Because in B here are even numbers and in A odd numbers. There is no common element, so the answer will be again an empty set. So from left hand side and right hand side, we conclude that left hand side equal to right hand side. It means that commutative property holds in the intersection of two sets. Whenever there are any two sets, then A intersection B will be equal to B intersection A. So the commutative property of the intersection of two sets has been proved. And now what you can do in your copies, you will also find B intersection C and C intersection B. As I have already told you, that we can take even A intersection C and C intersection A also, but at least you can do B intersection C and C intersection B. Okay, let's do the next question. Okay, students, question number 12, last question of this exercise. Three sets are given. Set A 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15, and set B 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Set C 5, 10, 15, and 20. Then prove associative property of union of sets. Okay, first of all, you must know what is the associative property of the union of sets. Associative property, in fact, A union B bracket union C is equal to A union B union C. So this is associative property. If it is written in the paper, that's good. If it is just written that prove the associative property of union of sets, then you must keep in mind what is the associative property of the union of sets. Three sets A, B, and C are included. So A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. Okay, so left hand side and right hand side we will find, and then we will match the answer, then it will be proved. So let's start. Let's do it. Left hand side, that is A union B, then union C. First of all, we will find A union B. So that is elements of set A 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. Then union sign and elements of B 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Now we have to combine these two because union sign is there in between the two sets. So we have to combine these two sets 3, 4, 3, 4, 6, then 8, then 9, then 12, then 16, 15 and 16, both will be there, and finally 20. So we have written all the elements of set A and set B, and we have not repeated any element. Now what we have to do, we will find A union B, then union C. So we already have A union B with us. Now we will combine A union B with C. A union B, bracket, and then union C. A union B, we have all the elements 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 15, 16, and 20. Then union sign. So I will write it here. And then elements of C, 5, 10, 15, 20. 5, 10, 15, and 20. Now students, what will be our answer? We will combine these two sets. We will write all the elements of A union B as well as all the elements of C, and we will not repeat any element. Now 3, 4, 3, 4, then 5, then 6, then 8, 9, then 10, then 12, 15, 16, and 20. Now we have written all the elements of A union B as well as all the elements of C. So we have combined all the elements, and remember that you will not repeat any element because it is against the definition of the set. What is the definition of set? A set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects. So where is the distinction if we repeat the elements? Identity. So we will not repeat any element, and we will write all the elements in order. Okay, now we will do the right hand side. Okay, now the right hand side, A union B union C. So within the bracket, first we will solve the bracket. B union C. First of all, we will combine B and C, these two sets, and then we will combine it with A. Now B union C. B union C is equal elements of set B 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. Okay, then union sign and elements of C. These are the multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, and 20. Okay, now we will combine these two sets. I will write 4, then I will write 5 because we are writing the elements in order and we will not repeat any element. Then next 8, then 10, okay, then 15. After that, 12 we must write. 10, 12, then 16, 15 and 16, and finally 20. Look at this, 4, then 5, then 8, then 10, then 12, then 15, then 16, and then 20. So this is B union C. Now we will combine it with A. A union B union C equal. First of all, we will write the elements of set A, that is 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. These are the multiples of 3. Then union. And now B union C, that is our answer 4, 5, 4, 5, 8, 10, 12, 15, 16, and 20. Okay, now we will combine these two sets. I will write first 3, then 4, after that 5, then 6, then 8 and 9, then 10, then 12, 15, then 16 and 20. Okay, now you can verify that the answer of the left hand side and answer of the right hand side both are equal. So we will write left hand side equal to right hand side. So it is proved or it is verified. So students, no need to be worried. If you know what to do, first solve the question in your brain, then solve by your hands. Because if I don't know what is the associative property of the union of three sets, then what will I do if this is not given to us? I must know that associative property is A union B bracket union C, then A union bracket B union C. If I know it, then I will do it, and we will solve the bracket first, and then we will combine it with the set which is outside the bracket.
Got it, student. Students, already we have to finish our chapter number 1, but some definition we have also described. But I will explain some, not explain, give definitions in a mathematical term. How can we write a definition of a mathematical terms? So, here is a union of two sets. You can write A set union B set. This is equal to X. This is equal to X such that X belong to A or X belong to B. This is called a union of two sets. And next is the intersection of two sets. And intersection two sets we can write as A intersection B, and mathematically we can write as X such that X belong to A and X belong to B. This is the intersection of two sets in mathematical term. Now, complement of two sets. Complement of sets, as you know, if we subtract a set from a universal set, that is called the complement of a set. Suppose you can write as U minus A is equal to A complement. So with mathematical term we can write as X such that X belong to U and X does not belong to A. This is called complement of a universal set. Now A minus B. A H B, and we can write A minus B. This is equal to X such that X belong to A and X does not belong to B. This is called A subtract B. So, dear student, this is a definition of a mathematical terms of a union, intersection, complement, A minus B. So, in this way, we have to finish our all the definitions and all the questions of this chapter. Now, this is your complete. We have complete all these things in these chapters. I and Mr. Youhana, we have both complete these things. Now, I will give you an assignment. You have to complete it within 4 days and return back to me. Then I will give you marks how you have to able to solve these questions. So, okay, thank you for watching. God bless you.